Welcome to Product Planning Tips. This is one of a series of video clips meant to help you with product planning. Recently, 10 of our team members met for 4 weeks to discuss the best workflows. This topic came from those sessions. Today's topic is our 60-second checklist. Robin Johnston will explain the checklist and how to use it.
One of the things that we heard from the group of product planners that we got together is that many of them will keep a sheet of paper next to them. So what we wanted to do is put together a tool that would allow you to skip the paper, have a virtual list that you can check off, where we know everybody's working from the same list. And so to that end, we've created the product planning checklist. So what you're looking at here is a checklist of the things that our group of product planners decided were the ones that needed to be done routinely. And all you need to know to use this checklist is that down the left side here, see where it says choose product below, and there's a pop-up. That's where you choose what you're working on today. So if I'm assigned to Modesto today, I'll choose Saturday Modesto because that's what I'm working on. Underneath, it reflects what product and what the pub date is. And then either as I do the things, I can check them off. Some people like to do it that way. Or other people wait until they've finished the product planning, and before they move on to their next assignment, they just visually go through and say, yep, I did email the newsroom. I did evaluate space on pages and double check obits. So some people go through at the end of the process. Generally takes a minute or less if you're doing them all at once. The other thing I would draw your attention to is there is this spot here where you can type notes as you're going. These are notes that will help you either as you're working on this section, or if you want to come back to them at the end of the night and review, you could use them that way. When you're finished with this assignment, just go to the pop-up menu and choose your next assignment. You'll get a brand new clean checklist and you can start checking off again. Danny, I know that you have used this checklist during product planning. What's your takeaway on this?
I find it very helpful. It gives me peace of mind that I'm done with the section. I had one time where I forgot a skybox. I did the checklist, realized I'd forgotten the skybox, was able to correct that. I had another time where I had not sent all the McClatchy pages. My fidelity numbers have been very good since I've started using the checklist.
Personal endorsement.